Hey guys, how are you? We're going to learn Chasse step. Like Wikipedia says, Chasse is a triple step of gliding character in a step-together step pattern. Let's get down to the point. We go front with your right, transferring body weight, then put our left behind it and step with your right again. After, change your leading leg and do the same with the left. First, try to do it on flat feet, then on high heels. And remember to keep feet out, knees close enough to each other, and do small steps. When you start walking with your right leg, a left arm will go a bit forward. And if with your left leg, then on the contrary, the right arm will go front. Hip twist will help you to find out which arm is correct. Also, it'll make your walking more elegant. I've got this practice from ballroom Latin dances. Remember to bend your knees a bit while chasse to control the level of your head. And if you don't bend knees, you're gonna jump, what doesn't look nice. Your movements should be smooth, like floating. What else I took from ballroom dances is the leading role of the chest in chasse step. If the leg goes first, it looks a bit comically. Keep practicing, guys. I'm with you. Good luck!